Hello everyone and welcome to University's Consultant. In today's video, I will guide you through the complete admission process for the 2026-2027 intake at the University of Eastern Piedmont. If you are planning to study in Italy and looking for English-taught master's programs, this video is especially for you. Whether you are applying from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or any other country, this guide will help you complete your application correctly and confidently. So, first, let me give you a quick introduction to the University of Eastern Piedmont. UPO is a well-known public university in Italy located in cities like Novara, Vercelli, and Alessandria. It offers a wide range of bachelor's and master's programs, including several English-taught master's degrees, making it a great choice for international students. Once you are on the home page, you will see different sections like University, Courses, Research, and International. Now click on Courses, and from the drop-down menu, select Master's Degree Courses. Here, you will find a list of all available programs. You can scroll down and explore different fields such as Pharmaceutical Biotechnology, Disaster and Health Crisis Management, English taught, Food, Health and Environment, English taught, Medical Biotechnologies, English taught, Management, Economics, and Finance. Now let's move to the next step of the application process. Open Google and search for moduli.uniupo.it, then click on the first link called UPO Moduli. Once the page opens, you will see the application form. First, select your course from the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose your desired program, for example, Food, Health and Environment, Medical Biotechnology, Disaster and Health Crisis Management. Make sure you select the correct master's program. Now, move to the Personal Data section. Fill in your details carefully. Surname, last name, name, first name, date of birth, city of birth, country of birth, citizenship. Next, enter your residence information, city of residence, country of residence. Select your gender. Then provide your contact details, email address, telephone number. Make sure your email is correct because all updates will be sent there. Now answer this question. Is this your first time applying for this course? Select yes or no accordingly. Then specify the application year. After filling your personal details, scroll down to the degree section. Here, you need to enter your bachelor's degree information. Start with first degree. Write your bachelor program, for example, pharmacy institution delivering degree. Enter your university name, country of institution. Select your country final mark of the degree. Enter your CGPA or percentage. Also, select the grading scale, including minimum pass and maximum marks. If you have any additional qualifications, you can fill them in the next section, otherwise you can leave it blank. Now scroll down to the Documents section. Important. All files must be uploaded in PDF format and should not exceed 5 MB. Here, you need to upload the following documents one by one. Curriculum Vitae, CV, in English University degree or provisional certificate transcripts of records. Proof of English proficiency, identity document, passport or ID card, visa if available, motivation letter, maximum 750 words. Additionally, some programs may require reference letter, SIMIA, or declaration of value, DOV. Legalized translations of your documents. Make sure all documents are clear, complete, and properly named. Now, move to the final step. Tick the Privacy Policy Acceptance. Then, select your consent option. Finally, click on the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include your application details, personal information degree information. Keep this email safe for future reference. And that's it. Your application for UPO is successfully completed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates on admissions in Italy.